Hi guys. Hi guys, it's your girl Vanes-VBKDSZFF and I'm here with another video. I'm not gonna do it. I hate myself. Okay, anyways, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna start this whole shit over. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vanes-VBKDSZFF and I'm here with another video. So today I am going to be doing my own Valentine's nails. So if you're new to the channel, hi girl, how are you? Make sure that you check out the rest of my videos. Subscribe to my channel if you fuck with me. Everybody else, thank you for coming back. As I was saying, we are going to be, or I'm going to be doing my Valentine's nails, and I hope that you tune along through the rest of this video so that you can also see how they come out. So this is what we are working with right now. They're all different shapes and sizes. I wouldn't say my cuticles are the worst, but my nails need some help. And if you guys have been watching me for a while, then you guys know that since quarantine hit, I haven't been back to the nail salon. I've been doing my own. And I recently got some really long tips that I'm really excited to use. So I'm going to be showing you guys the new stuff I'm going to be using, everything I'm going to be using. Then I'm going to do like a top view down so you can see what I'm doing, and that would be like a speeded up part of the process. If you're new to my channel, no, I'm not a licensed nail tech. I started learning in quarantine, but I'm working towards saving up money so that I can go to nail tech school. Alright, so today I'm going to be using a few new products. If you guys don't know, I started like doing gel X extensions, so that's what I've been doing. Anyways, I'm trying a new brand of gel X, or I guess gel extensions. This is the brand Michelle, and I did find these on Amazon. The box does come numbered. It has all the numbers, 0 and 2, all the way to 10. And these are the extra long ballerina cut. This is the potential length of a thumbnail. It goes all the way out to right here. So that is what I'm going to be using today. I want to say they're like $20 on Amazon, and I mostly use like the Apris Gel X extension set. However, their boxes are about $30 or $40, so I decided to give these a go just to kind of see like if these are going to be just as good, then I'm going to buy the cheaper ones, obviously. The other thing that I bought that I'm going to be using on my nails today is I bought this 4-pack of nail crystals. So I bought this 4-pack of crystals. I got like, I guess, silver, iridescent, like rainbow, black, and red. I know for sure I want to use the red ones. So that's what they look like, and I'll show you each pack because I know that first view was not easy. So those are the little iridescent rainbow ones, and then I have the silver ones. Oh shit. Then I have the silver ones. And last but not least, I have the black ones. So that one came in a 4-pack with a wax stick and tweezers to pick them up for $16.99 on Amazon. I didn't think that was too bad. So I'm for sure using the red ones. We'll see about the other colors. And then the last, not the last thing, another new thing I got off on Amazon is I've been wanting to do like a sugar nail. So it came with 4 little vials like this for $10, and you guys may not be able to see it really clear here, but it looks like sugar and there's a few little crystals in it. I don't know if you guys have seen that nail trend or not, but I'm thinking about doing at least one or a partial nail with that. haven't really thought out my vision too much. And then I'm gonna be doing a red glitter and nudes, in a nude. So I have the little colors right here, so I should just show you guys. These are gonna be the 3 colors that I'm using on my nail set. And the 2 reds are from Beetles. It's a gel polish company on Amazon. And then the last one, I'll have to put in the name. It's a gel polish also from Amazon, but I don't know the name of the brand. I have these little hearts, and I may pick out a few red ones to also incorporate. There's some little red ones. All right, so now I'm gonna change the view so you can see what's happening, and let's see what we get into. Hi guys, so this is now the end of the video and you guys are about to see my nails. Like I said before, I did use a lot of new products today. A new top coat. So I used a new top coat and I don't know how I feel about it, guys. Like honestly, honestly, I don't know how I feel about it. Like I thought I liked it, but I feel like it didn't dry evenly on my nails. It just didn't look good. So all that to say, I did finish my Valentine's nails. I'm about to show you guys. These are a different length than I'm used to, so I am having a little bit of an adjustment period. I'm here to show you guys a closer look at my nails. The last time I did show you guys my nails, basically I had used a new top coat. That was not it. basically the top of my nails on, like, I would say half of my nails look kind of almost like craters for after like I cured it in the UV light. I don't know, it just kind of separated, and it was almost like I had bubbles on my nails and then they popped. So then all my nails had like these round little circles, almost like craters. So I'm just gonna show you again my nails a little bit closer view. I did clean up a bit because not only was it leaving like crater-like things on my nails, but also it kind of spilled out onto the cuticle area, which is a big no-no. I don't want my nails to start lifting. I didn't want all that excess gunk in my cuticle area. So it's been like 2 days and I've been working with like a file, and I had to redo my top coat a couple of times to try to get it right, and I'm still not 100% satisfied, but I'm done messing with these nails. The idea was cute, but it just, I tried too many new products. I had never tried that top coat before, and it's from a brand that I typically always use. So I was just like really disappointed that that was something that from that company, from that brand, that is not gonna work for me. So, all right, without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and show you my nails again now that they're a little bit more cleaned up. I also trimmed down my thumbnails a bit because I noticed when I put them side by side that my thumbs were significantly like longer than the rest of my fingernails, and it made life a bit hard. So I did trim them down a little bit, so now they're more like the same length as the rest of my nails. So this is my hand that was done with my left hand, which is not my dominant hand. So these nails were done with my left hand. So they're not the worst. This one still has like a little excess here. They're not the worst. They're actually pretty good in my opinion for being done with my non-dominant hand. Then my other hand, bitch, is a whole ass mood. I'm here for this hand. In this hand too, I had tried putting those little confettis on these two right here, but because I'm not doing acrylic, they were bumpy, and that was a couple of nails that I had to kind of buff out and redo the top coat on that. But like I said, bitch is here for this hand. Are you ready? All right, so I painted these and decorated these with my dominant hand. All right, so I painted these and decorated these with my dominant hand. These are so pretty. I just don't get like Valentine's Day themed. I almost get like Christmas, like candy cane or something. So this is the set I'm currently rocking, bitches. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Would you rock these? Are they too long? Are they too short? But yep, that's my nails. See you next time. Bye.